I told you that when you lose a tooth, it creates problems for the other teeth. They shift because teeth hold each other in place. But you know what? I did not tell you that you need to know as well. Your tongue is confined by the teeth around it. When our clients lose teeth and they don't put in any dentures at all, that tongue spreads. It just takes up more space because more space is available. And we did speak about the fact that if you can't chew your food properly, you're going to have digestive problems. And it's not uncommon for our seniors to have digestive problems. In addition to that, if the teeth are holding up your mouth to a certain height, and now there's no teeth in there and gum against gum, it can affect the airway. So we may be putting our seniors in a position where they're not properly oxygenated. And of course, we spoke about the aging process. You look prematurely old if you're walking around without teeth because there's no support for your facial muscles. And in addition to that, the teeth help to shape your face. You know, your eye teeth on either side, it's the cornerstone of your smile. And if you don't have that, then aesthetically, it looks very, very different. It doesn't look normal. And not because our seniors are aging, it means that they're not concerned about their appearance. So we want to make sure that they can speak well, because if you don't have teeth, you can't speak clearly, okay? We want to make sure that they can chew well, that they look good, that they can function, breathe properly, and all that can happen only if our patients are not walking around edentulous without teeth. We spoke about the overclosure causing angular cheilitis. So there are lots of reasons why we need to make sure that our patients are wearing something to replace missing teeth. We're going to speak about another option, another set of options, if removable appliances are not for them.